guys, Agent Gaming back for another mission. And today, our mission is to show two new Nerf Guns I got. It's only two, so it's going to be a short video. I'm going to show you what they are. You probably know how to use them already, but I'm just going to do it. So, first up, we have the rival chaos. And as you can see, I loaded it all up. And yeah, so what you need to do to get it out is, if I turn it around, you see this button right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold that, and then the magazine will come out. And basically what you need to do to load it is, I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's like a little trigger not trigger, but like switch right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to push it to the side, and you're going to open up this. Did you guys see that? All the balls came flying out of it. Okay, I'm just going to, yeah, all 10 of them. I'm just going to quickly reload this to show you how. So all you need to do is put them, okay, so what you need to do is you're going to pull this trigger down, you're going to pull it down, and you're going to lock it in the side. And then you're just going to start putting the balls in. So I'm going to just put these in. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this gun comes with 4 of these little tiny foam balls, and 10 goes in each slot. Right now I'm only going to use 10 of the balls. And then what you do is you put this back on, if it comes off. You just do that. How does this go on? Oh. Backwards. I understand now. Ow! My finger! My finger! Ah, it snapped on my finger. Okay. Ow. Gosh. Now the 10 bullets are in. And then, if you see you see that hole? You see how it's sort of a ramp going down? This end that's sticking up, so this end is going to go in like this. So the tall end goes on the part. I don't know how to explain this. Oh, whoa! There, that's good. And you're going to put that in. Just like that. And then, you need 6 D-cell batteries for this. This is down, it's locked. It won't come on or won't do anything. This is up. You gotta push down on this trigger and hold it, and then you can shoot it. So I'm just gonna shoot it above the camera for you guys. It's locked. Oopsie. You can hear that noise. While that's going, you just gotta hold it till all the bullets are out. So basically, you can shoot one at a time or rapid fire. So I'm gonna do this one at a time. Did you guys see that? That went really fast. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. This little foam ball came flying out of this gun. Oh, I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Put that off to the side. I might just shoot one at a time. No. Let's do one more, one at a time, and then we'll shoot. One at a time. No. so it's really painful. Ow! Oh, I'm gonna go put on my mask for this. Hold on, I'm gonna get that bullet. Oh, they're so bouncy. This came with the gun for protection. Whew! I'm ready. Okay. That scared me. Ah! Let's go back. Ah! You guys can't even see that. Whoa! Okay. We need 8 bullets. 5, 6, 7. 10. Yeah. Oh. 11. That's all 10 of those bullets. Okay. That's the rifle. Now time for the brain sack. So basically, there's 8 bullets. You load them in the sides. 4 on each side. And then there's this big chainsaw. It's foam though. And then what you're gonna do is there's this little pull-out thing. And what you're gonna do, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able, oh yeah, you totally will. Now hold on it. The chainsaw spin. The chainsaw spins. I'm not sure you can hear me though. The chainsaw spins. And then what you're gonna do is there's this little green thing. You're gonna pull it back and forward again. And you're gonna pull the trigger and choose a handle you can hold on. And I'm gonna shoot above the camera. Hopefully this time you can see them. That was way too high. Oopsie, sorry. That 4 at 5, 6. That shot 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we always need to have 7? Oh, 8. It's in the mask. I'm so blind. I'm stupid. I'm so blind, I'm stupid. 8. That's 8. 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. Okay. That's all the guns, and that's all the time we have for today. As you can see, it's bedtime. Mom and Dad are watching a show outside. Not outside, but in the bonus room. I'm in here just making a video for you guys, as you can see, because you're watching it. But that's the end of our mission. Complete! This is Agent Gaming, and I'm out. Agent Gaming, out. Bye, everybody. Mission complete. Bye!